Hi, sweetie. Can we talk for a bit?
Sure, Mom. What's up?
Well, I was thinking about the internet and how it's become such a big part of our lives. I thought it might be good for us to talk about the advantages and disadvantages it brings.
The internet. Okay, what do you mean?
Let's go inside for discussion. Let's start with the positives. The internet is an incredible tool for learning. You can find information on almost any topic, watch educational videos, and even take online courses to expand your knowledge.
Yeah, I use it for homework sometimes. It's pretty helpful.
Absolutely. And it's not just about learning. The internet is a great way to connect with people. You can stay in touch with friends and family, no matter how far away they are. It can also be a platform for creativity and self-expression.
Like the funny videos and pictures people share?
Exactly. It's a way for people to share their talents and ideas with the world. But, with all the good stuff, there are also some things we need to be careful about.
What do you mean, Mom?
Well, for one, not everything on the internet is accurate. It's important to double-check information and make sure it's from reliable sources. And then, there's the time factor. Spending too much time online can take away from other important things, like playing outside or spending time with family.
Yeah, I guess I do spend a lot of time playing games sometimes.
It's okay to have fun online, but balance is key. Also, we need to be mindful of our privacy. Not everyone online has good intentions, so it's crucial to be cautious about sharing personal information.
Like not telling anyone my password?
Son, exactly. Your safety is the most important thing. So, while the internet offers many advantages, it's essential to use it responsibly and be aware of the potential drawbacks.
Thanks for explaining, Mom. I'll be more careful online.
You're welcome, sweetheart. If you ever have any questions or concerns about the internet, don't hesitate to talk to me. I'm here to help and guide you.
Thank you, Mom. I will use internet only for the purpose of my study.